Previous two chapter we discuss about the plants. In the first chapter we discuss about the characters, and in second part we discuss about the plants and its function. So after saw the adaptation in plants, the animals are also important living things in our surrounding. Like plants, animals are also found in different surrounding. Why the animals are live in the different surrounding or different environment? Because like the plant, they also show the adaptation. So in this chapter we discuss about the adaptation in animals. So when we saw the animals around us, we saw the various different kind of animals, and they are grow in different conditions also. So for that purpose they do some changes. Like a plant, animal also do the changes in their structural and functional behavior. Last chapter we see about the definition of the adaptation. Adaptation means to change the structural and functional behavior of the organism. It's called the adaptation. So like a plants, animal also show the some adaptations. So look at this. This is the picture. Do you find this picture strange and funny? What is wrong with this picture? Everything seems to be in the wrong place. Discuss in class. These are the one activity is given in your book at the beginning of the chapter. So you discuss that and put the animal in the right place. Which animal have to put in the right place? So these are the some kind of adaptations, picture of the adaptation that animal and plant show. In this region there is a desert, this is the plain, and this is the hilly region or the polar region. So in this way the different kinds of animals are live there. When we discuss about the animal, we know that there are animals, different kind of animals according to where they live or according to their habitats. So which are the different kind according to the habitats? The first is the aquatic animal, means animal live in the water. That animal is called as the aquatic animal. This is the first type of the animal, and it is considered that the beginning of the living things is start from the water. The amoeba is the first animal, and the algae is the first plant which is grow in the water. So this is about the animal live in the water. The fish, tortoise, dolphin, whales, starfish, crabs, all these are grow in the water or live in water. So all these are the considered as the aquatic animals. Then the second one is the terrestrial animal. Like a plant, the animal lie on the land. The terrestrial plants definition is plant lie on the land. In the same way we replace the plant with the animal, and the definition is same. The terrestrial animal lie on the land. The various kind of animals also lie on the land, like a dog, cat, rabbit, cow, buffalo, tiger, elephant. So like the aquatic one, the land animals also have a different type of their adaptations or different places they are grow on the terrestrial region. Then the third one is the amphibians. The amphibians are the animal live both on land and water. They live both on the land, means terrestrial, and in the water means aquatic, means they show the both habitats, they live able to live in the both habitats. So what is we call to that animal? We called them as amphibians. So which are the amphibians, or what is the example of this? The example of this amphibians is the frog. The frog is able to live on the land as well as in the water. In the same way, tortoise is also the animal who can live. Crocodile is also live in both land and water. So all these are considered as the amphibians. Then the fourth type is the aerial animal. The name indicates that animal that can fly in air is called the aerial animal. The best example is all birds. Some birds are not fly high in the sky, but most of birds are fly in the sky. So these are considered as the aerial animal. We now see the one by one adaptation in one by one type. So we see the adaptation in the aquatic animal. So what is meant by aquatic animal? Animal live in the water is called the aquatic animal. The example of the aquatic animal is fish, crabs, starfish, and whales. These are the example of the aquatic animals. Then these aquatic animals, normally the animals are live on the land. We know that the animals around us. But how some animals are live in the water? We say that animals need oxygen to live. Animals have a food to live, and animals need water. So water is there, but oxygen and how that animal get oxygen and other things. So for that purpose, they showed some adaptation. They change in their structural and functional behavior. The first adaptation is these animals have a streamlined body. Streamlined body means the body is pointed towards the boat end, and it is bulges, means they are like this. So this is called the streamline. That's why the fish found easy to swim in the stream of water, because this shape resist less water, and the fish is easily move inside the water. Means which is the first adaptation? The first adaptation is they have a streamline body. Stream means the flow of water is called the stream, and according to the stream. So this is the first adaptation. And second is the different animal have a different locomotory organ. Different aquatic animal have a different locomotory organs. So which are the animals live in the water? Fish, and then a lot of animals are live in the water. Crabs is live, then hydra is live. All these are the starfish is also the aquatic animal. So all these are the aquatic animals, and their locomotory means locomotory organs means organ help to move from one place to the another place. It's called the locomotory organ. Or what is meant by locomotion? To move from one place to the another place. It's called the locomotion. So these are the some organs. Which is the locomotory organ to humans? Upper humans? Yes, our legs. Our legs are the locomotory organs in our human beings. So these are the locomotory organs. So fish is locomotory organ is fins. Fish is fins. Fish are move with the help of fins. Then hydra. This is the second animal. They are have a tentacles like this. These are the hydra plant, and this hydra plant have a tentacles like this, and with the help of that tentacles they are move in the water. So these are the locomotory organs of the Then starfish. Starfish have a tube feet. What they are have a tube feet. Their feet is like a tube, so it is called the tube feet. These are the locomotive organs in the gland. The fish breathe through the gills. The aquatic plants animals absorb the oxygen for the breathing. So fish breathe through the gills, and whales and dolphin breathe through the lungs. These are the also two aquatic animals. They are breathe through the lungs. And lastly, the soft body of the fish. The fish body is very soft because it is easy to move. This soft body is covered with the scales. So in this way the aquatic animals show adaptation to live in the water. Thank you.